Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to show you the second cheapest way to get into cold plunging. What we need is very cold water and also a container. So most people, the cheapest way is probably to just get one of these liner pods, and you could see it from there. And just sit in it, put some ice in it, put some water in it. Now, but I'm really lazy and I don't want to get ice. And so what we're going to do is we bought a 7 cubic foot freezer, and we're going to unbox it, throw the liner inside the freezer, put some water in it. In the event that, cold plunge goes out of style, or I decide not to do it anymore, we can always retrieve the freezer and use it for food. All right, here we go. So now that it's out of the box, you need to find a place to put it. So the issue is, once we load it with water, it's going to get very heavy. It'll be difficult to maneuver. So I want to find where it's sheltered, for one, from the elements, and secondly, it's got to have access to power, and I want it near water. I'll show you the close-up of what we're dealing with. So this is our 7 cubic foot freezer, and this is the liner for the cold plunge. And once we fill it with water, it should form to the edge, the surrounding environment. All right, so the time lapse probably didn't pick it up, but while it was filling up, I filled the top corners with some air through this vent right here using a pump. And as you can see, I didn't fill it up all the way, because you have to account for the fact that once we get in, we have mass and we take a volume, so it's gonna rise a little bit, but this is good. The air will keep the liner from falling in, and yeah, so now we hook it up to power and let it cool. All right, welcome back, everybody. This is the moment of truth. I attempted to do this plunge yesterday, but I got halfway in and it got way too cold. The water's at about 35 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's near freezing, but not quite. All right, hope this works. I'm going to try and describe the process as I go in. All right, 34-degree water. Here we go. Ow, ow, ow. It's very cold. It's very cold. It's biting cold. And I'm going in. I'm halfway in. I'm halfway in. Ow, ow, it's starting to hurt. It stings really badly. I'm coming out. Oh. Ah. All right, so that was like 3 seconds, but that was, my whole body is stinging right now, and that was kind of painful, but refreshing. So if you're into cold plunging, I hope this helped you. All right, good luck.